What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm sharing with you guys this super cute Black History Month inspired crochet feed and braid combo on a kid. And I was super excited to share this because it turned out bomb. And y'all, I had a whole plan for Black History Month. Like, I was gonna do some promo stuff and just a whole bunch of style ideas, but life happened, and so here I am. But next year, this is like so far in the future, but next year I literally cannot wait because I'm about to turn it up for Black History Month. So yeah, but anyway, I was excited because she's so cute, and I shared her in one of my videos before. Little baby is tender-headed, so y'all can see her little nose turning up. But she sits so still, and she's just bomb. So I had shared one of her videos on TikTok because I don't know if you guys saw in the beginning of the video. Well, oh, this is perfect. On this side of her head, she has a birthmark on her hair. So it goes like behind her ear and then through her head. And so I had shared a video of her on TikTok, and I had put like her birthmark was in the video, like basically you can see it, and people were like, oh my god, you braided her hair too tight. And I was like, it's a birthmark. Like, I said it in the caption, and they were like, why would you post it on this side? And I'm like, why would you care? Like, her birthmark is what makes her unique, and actually, like, I think it's super cute. Like, on the video that I posted on TikTok, like, it was so cute because it was literally like just a circle in her braids, and I'm like, this is what makes her unique. Like, why do I have to like only record one side of her head? So I just definitely was like, I'm about to trigger y'all. Like, every single time I do her hair, I'm posting it, period. So yeah, that's why I showed you guys all the braids on this side of the hair, because I feel like there are things about everybody that make us unique and that make us different, and this is one of those things, and I absolutely love it. So I'm not gonna hide anybody's anything that they have on them. So yes, kudos to little baby because she's literally the cutest. She's a whole mood. Oh my god, guys, I wish you could hear like our conversations without the voiceovers. Is just literally hilarious. But yes, I'm just starting and doing a feed and braid pattern, and then when I get to the back, I'll show you guys what I do. So in the back, I did this type of braid pattern. This is when you like braid straight down and you add the ends of your braid to the next braid. I don't know if that makes sense. If you guys need to see an in detail tutorial of that pattern, I can show you guys. And then I did use the Caribbean brand crochet hair to do these crochet twists. I was actually like doing this based off of a picture that I had seen on Pinterest, and they had a different curl pattern, but it just looked like it was going to get hella nappy. So I decided to use the Caribbean brand crochet hair, and this was like my favorite brand of crochet hair to use whenever I do use synthetic hair. You guys know I like to use human most of the time, but for this particular style, I couldn't really do that without doing a sew-in. So yes, I'm using this crochet hair, and I love the curl pattern. It actually turned out being super bomb. So as always, I'll make sure that I list all the products that I use in the description section. So if you guys want to recreate this look, make sure you guys click on those links and get those products. So yes, guys, once I crocheted in all the back, I went ahead and I dipped her 2 feet in buns, and I'm going to be, well, I dipped her 2 feet in little ponytail things, and then I'm going to be wrapping them into buns. So you can totally leave them out if you want to, but if that's what you decide to do, I would definitely make them a little bit more full. So yes, I just didn't want her buns to be like crazy big. So yes, I went ahead and dipped it and I wrapped it in buns, and I'm using like a black rubber band to secure that on each side. And then I went ahead and added in some nice jewels and some beads just to spark it up and really give her that Black History Month look to it. And yes, it turned out super bomb. I cannot wait to show you guys the finished look. So yes, guys, this is the finished look here. The only thing I really wish I did different was make those 2 braids in the front with the beads a little shorter, but she wanted her hair long. So I said, okay, sis, I'm gonna turn you up. So yes, this is our finished look. If you guys like it, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. As always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?